Hello, hi everyone, how are you all? Once again, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Sakshi Gulia. How are you all? Fit and fine? Yes, hope so. You all are doing great in your life. Today, I'm making this video on how was my year 2021. I'm so happy. December is one of the best months, and I'll be showing you what I use on my skin. I use aloe vera gel on my skin. That's the only thing that I use on my skin. Then let me comb my hairs properly. Yes. The things that I learned in 2021 were amazing, and I this year went through the worst phase of my life. I experienced the worst emotions, that like frustration, anxiety, fear of losing someone, and I realized that we all have to accept what's happening in our life. We all have to just be calm and let things pass. We have to be super strong mentally, emotionally, and we have to understand that this is life. I became more conscious about life, and I also realized that there's no past, there's no future. The only moment that we have is right now. We should enjoy the moment in which we are. We should celebrate it, and we should just be happy and keep everyone around us happy. The thing that I learned is, don't give troubles to other. Yes, I met some people who got sadistic pleasures in troubling others. This year I also met some people who, and one of the most important things that I learned was, everything has the right time, and if anything happens, then there's a reason behind it. And always move, and always be strong. And losing your loved one leaves a great void in your life, in your heart. You can't overcome it. You can never overcome, or you can never move on. This year was very tough for many of us. We lost someone very close, or we lost someone we knew. I really wish such year never comes back, where we have to lose someone we know and we are close, because losing someone just takes away everything from you. The amazing things that happened this year was that the starting was amazing, superb. I had the best trip of my life, Goa, with my best friends, and I met this year some of the amazing people. Some of the amazing and super good people, super good humans. This year I also completed my novel, which I was writing since 5 years, and this year I finally completed it. Every year I used to keep on writing, adding, subtracting something, some content, but I was never ever satisfied. Yes, that this is my final piece. This novel is my dream novel, and this year I am so happy to announce and say that I have finally completed, and next year I will be launching my novel that is on Himalayas. Himalayas are always in my heart. I will get Himalayas tattooed here soon, and I'm so excited for it. So I just wish that you have a great next year, great 2022. And this year, some good things that happened, that I learned stock market, and as a fresher also I did great and pretty well. I sponsored my trips from the perks that I got from stock market, and stock markets, I recommend it to my all friends that you all should do. And at a very young age, we taught this in schools about stock market and everything. So with this, I finally say goodbye. Love you all. See you next time. See you soon. Bye.